Hi everyone, this is Faye with Relax and Scrap. I'm here with a video share. Yes, again, I was challenged by Lady Cree, who is Fun Creations on the YT. My challenge was to kill a 12 by 12 kit. I could use photo play, whichever paper studio, whoever I chose to choose. And I chose a kit from Paper Studio. I did not save the packaging, and this is all I have left of the kit. I don't remember the name of it, but I got it from Hobby Lobby. I also use these bag toppers from Alina Craft. I use the Pretty Butterfly Stamp and Die by My Creative Time. I use rectangle frame die layers by My Creative Times, and I use landscape gift bag die set by Simply Made Crafts. I will also link Lady Cree's YouTube channel down in the description. I will also link, I think her name is Treasured Books. I followed the tutorial by her, how to kill a 12 by 12 piece of paper. And so I'll go ahead and show you what I created. With the killing the 12 by 12 paper, I created an ephemera pouch, and you had a choice to laminate it or not laminate it. You had a choice to stitch it or not stitch it. So I did, for the first time, stitch on paper. You also created a journal. I added this pen to the journal from my stash. You also created a bookmark, and everything is laminated and stitched. The book, I made 3 signatures, but only 2 would fit in there, so I had to just put the 3rd one to the side. I made this. You also make a mini journal that goes along with it, and it just has 1 signature inside of it. You also create a bookmark holder, and those are my bookmarks right there. I made 2 of them. They'll just fit well. I got the fumble fingers today. Of course, nothing ever wants to go back in when you're on camera. But yeah, they both fit down in there. I don't know why they're okay. They'll fit down in there like that, and both of them was down. Okay. And to go inside, the extra journal is here. It'll just be in there to the side. And this is a card that I created to go with the kit. It says thinking of you, and that is the inside. I have not stamped it with a sentiment yet. And to go inside my ephemera pack, I created a set of bag topper bows. I created a set of butterfly bows. And I added some bling and some letters, sticker letters. So that is my first kit. Here is my second kit. Everything is basically the same. I have my ephemera pouch. Hopefully that's out of the way. And in it, I have the bows. This bag was a little bit too big, but it folds back when you go to put it in here easily. And that's the butterfly toppers. And that's the alphabet and bling for this one. That is the extra journal that'll go in there. That is the bookmark holder, and these are the 2 bookmarks. And I'll tell y'all, they slide in here easy. It's being on camera. That is the mini journal that goes with it. That is the larger journal with the 2 signatures and the bookmark. And y'all, this kit did not have a lot of embellishments, so I had to be sparing with them. So I could have went and just stuck them some through the book, but like I said, it was limited amount of stickers that came with it, so I had to be cautious as far as how I used them. Also, I made a card to go with this one as well. Sending happy thoughts your way, and it has not been stamped on the inside. And to house all of this, I created some bags. Let me move that to the side. Here is the first bag. I put a chain on it. And I will house everything accordingly. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. But that's how it will be housed in there. And here is the second bag. And that is how the second one will be housed. All right, y'all, please like. Y'all, please hit the subscription button if you have not already subscribed. Y'all go check out Lady Cree. Y'all go check out Treasure Books. I will leave their links in the description box. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video.